Meet Sam, our marketing manager. He is thinking about redesigning the company's webpage. So he assigned Veronica as the project manager, alongside John and Mary, who are also part of the team. The project goals are ensuring timely, effective communications to the team, centralizing the project documentation. But how can they achieve them? Using dynamic group management from Togglebox. When using Togglebox dynamic groups, distribution lists are created and updated automatically. Hierarchical groups are created based on the company's organizational chart. Shared folders can be used to centralize all the project's information. By simply sending emails using the group Working in Webpage, the manager will ensure all his communications reach the project team members. In addition, the documentation will be centralized in a shared folder, and all the team members will have access to them. And that's how Sam, Veronica, and her team met the project's objectives. Take advantage of all the dynamic group benefits.